Please welcome to the Dimensions of Physics. In this session, we are going to see case 3, that is both observer and the sources moving. For that, again, we are considering observer here at O1 position and the source is here at S1 position, whose velocity Vs and observer velocity is V0. Okay. When t is equals to t0 time, the same, it releases a crest and it reaches to the observer. Okay, at t is equals to t1 time, this observer moves towards the source and observer reach the O2 position, and at the same time this S1 also moving away from the source and it reaches the S2 position with the velocity Vs. Okay, at t is equals to t1 time, this crest, when at the t is equals to t0 time, this source emits a crest and it travels along with the medium and it reaches the observer at t1 time. Okay, at t1 time, and at the t1 time this observer moves forward and it reaches the O2 position. So what is the time it taken in terms of distance and velocity? T1 is equals to, as we seen in the previous class, the distance between observer and the source is L, then the resultant velocity of the crest reaches to the observer, we have seen V plus V0. This is the equation of 1. Then T2, when T is equals to T2 time, it releases the second crest, and at the same time this observer also moves forward and reaches the O3 position. At the O3 position, this crest at t is equals to t2 time, it reaches the observer. So what is the equation for t2 in terms of distance and time and the time period? Okay, we know that every two successive crests there is a time period. We call it t0. We denoting with t0 from here to here. It travel. Then time it takens the crest, it takens to the observer is distance L plus how much distance it travel, L plus the resultant velocity here, Vs minus V0. The resultant velocity, both they are moving in the same direction. S2 is bit forward than the observer, so that we are considering the velocity of the source is higher than the velocity of the observer, so that we are taking the resultant velocity, that is Vs minus V0, by the resultant velocity of the crest it reaches to the observer, that is we know that V plus V0. Okay, from this we can get in last class we have seen Tn plus 1. When the n plus 1 crest reaches to the observer, it takes the time Tn plus 1, that is equals to Nt0 plus L plus n into Vs minus V0 by V plus V0. Okay, from this again we have to find out the time interval. Tn plus 1 minus T1, that is equals to, we know that Nt0 plus L plus n into Vs minus V0 by V plus V0 minus V1 here L by V plus V0. From this we can get, if we simplify we can get, in previous class we have seen that the time period it taken for the single crest reaches to the observer, t is equals to, if we simplify that we can get Nt0 plus n into Vs minus V0 by V plus V0. Cancel it, we can cancel it L by V plus V0 and L by V plus V0, it will be cancelled. Okay, from this we can get t is equals to Nt0 if we take out the empty naught out, 1 plus Vs minus V naught by V plus V naught. Let us simplify it. Empty naught into V plus V naught plus Vs V naught by V plus V naught. Okay, cancel it V naught here. Empty naught into V plus Vs by V plus V naught. This is the time taken for the n crest reaches to the observer. Then what is the single crest it reaches to the observer is, if we can know that, we can get that if we divide with the n, we can get T is equals to T naught into V plus Vs by V plus V naught. From this we can get the frequency 1 by f naught into V plus V by Vs by V plus V naught. From this again, f naught is equals to f into V plus Vs by V plus V naught. From this again, we can get the general formula. F is equals to f naught V plus V naught by V plus Vs. This is the general formula for the frequency while the both source and the observer is moving. Vice versa. If this observer moves towards the if this source moves towards the observer moves away from the source, we can get the negative convention. For that, f is equals to f naught V minus V naught by V minus Vs. From this we can get the general formula, that is f is equals to f naught into V plus or minus V naught by V plus or minus Vs. Okay, here we can apply the sign convention. Thank you.